Hi, Bishop. Sorry, let me on my data. Hi, Bishop.
Hi, Rego, Techa, popular, Bupu, Ipunishi. Bupu, that in Ipunishi. Bupi, Hipunishi. Branga, hi, on your Loki. Branga, be hi, this up. I say, spell lawyer, and he spell Otele. Branga, hi, this up. On your high. Work English, I'm no panime manage, no, never in it, Mapota. Branga, be the with high. Wapaka no noge. Branga, hi, this up. Young man, I say, high, okay, man, how will lemon and got keep on what doom.
Bishop, I be room for interview.
A lay bravo.
Abraham Jugisic and my chorengo. Yeah.
Okay, here, Berejum. Maya Vine.
Who do my chorengo? Come back.
Maya Vine.
Keke Maya Vine one.
My have Maya Vine.
Mba.
Kene Vumina Afota.
Yeah. Kebisi watakweni kawa.
Akwụkwọ nsọ nọ na Bible ndị ozi Chineke ṅụrụ ya aṅụ.
Bishop mu amara kansa afun kawa.
Ngwanụ ele mmanya chọrọ inye m.
Kenke chọrọ ịṅụ.
Achọrọ m ịṅụ Hennessy.
Ego ne ka na-ere ya.
Comment section ga-agwa gị.
Comment section ego ne ka na-ere Hennessy. And what on your price? You have with different prices.
Chema kpọtọ onye ga-agwa gị price ya.
Okay.
Na-achọ otu onye ndị mma wụ righteous people. Na mmanya ka ịjụọ m mmanya m chọrọ ịṅụ ma mara m chọrọ ịha ya m na.
Bishop, ịkpọtara onye na-aṅụ mmanya ka Bishop, o telekwa n'aka alụ nwedere na Hennessy ga dị ụdị ka nke bụ ihe. Nne.
Ego ole go mmanya fine akwa ịda nọ dị a ego ole ọwụ.
Last ịṅụ ya 400 biko Hennessy.
Last ịṅụrụ ya.
M na-aṅụ ya na. A ga-ebi gị nwa m.
Chema akpọtakwa onye ọzọ. Hennessy na ego ole VSOP.
Na amakwa m ego nọ na Nigeria, o reso ngwa ego nọ na country nọ.
Gwana ego lọrọ na country nọ.
Okay. 50 euro is almost 88,000 or let's say 80,000.
VSOP. Ọwụkwa Hennessy niile. Hennessy VSOP.
Amakwa m nke ahụ, amakwa m nke bụ VSOP, ọ dịkwa Nigeria ka ọ nọ.
Ma ihe wụ Hennessy VSOP, gị bịa nga akpọ m gwara gị sị dị ma ṅụ Pepsi arụ arụ. Agwara m gị sọ ọfa fala ka ji agụ Chineke agbaghị ọkụ dị nwa pingo nwụrụ anwụ. Tara nga ma Hennessy na ihe ereghe Hennessy. Madamu. Ị mara mmanya ọwụla ịma ị chọrọ ije mbata iji ma aṅụ mmanya ọwụla o. Gị were m ego mmanya ahụ tọnọ ya tara na eghu tọnọ ya ta eghu.
Okay, ngwanụ. Ama enye gị ego ka ije rie anụ ewu.
Ọwụ m jeri anụ ewu, ihe m na-eri wụ life ewu. Gị bịa gwa m jeri anụ ewu.
Okay, life ewu, ego ole ka ere gị na life ewu, ọhị ga-ekwunu.
Madam, la anya abịakwala nga bịa ibe mmanụ agbagharị ihe ahụ. Ị mara dat na edebila anya abịakwala nga bịa ibe iji ego ga-atọ m akpịrị ihe ahụ.
Bishop agụghị m egwuregwu.
Bịa nwere ndị nna ha reghị ego na village ego ole.
Somebody see 50,000.
Ego. Ọ ga-awụ nke nne ya tụwara n'ime. Ọ ga-awụ nke nne ya kwara n'ime ya mụọ. Ego nwamkpi shiwushi. I saw 150, 200, 150.
Bishop, ndị comment section ga ọ dị ka ha dị current.
2122 870 32.
32. Afa gị?
Ọ bụ Prince, ọ ihe ngwụ Prince na.
Prince who?
Ọ bụ okoro dị n'agba.
Njọsi Tida n'Okoro. Akwa ga-aga witina n'Okoro. Ihe akwa international transaction ka mmege.
Jekwentị account number mkpọrọ 212287
0132.
ọ ihe ọwụ stamp m.
So the name Prince.
Okoro Prince Will ọ ihe ọwụ.
Okay.
Elo na di.
Agwa ka m chọrọ ịlụ.
Ka ego isi m ka ekwuga na.
Ego isi ka m kwuga.
Nene n'anya ebe a gị na-asị m alekwa na-eme transfer aka.
Achọrọ m imeki sure na ọ gaga.
Okay, ọ ga-ega. Onye ọwụla follow when
So
ya follow when ọ
they are preparing your transfer. They are preparing your transfer.
Okay, I prepare.
Yeah. Ọ ga-abịa through remiti.
Okay. Onye ọwụla follow we egbe de prepare ya ọfụma. Follow on this account na. Follow on ya na. Our doctor English good. Follow when you.
Ha transfer ala ya.
Abhela.
Yes, ha transfer. So it get you to like 2-3 minutes.
Okay. Obaga flight abịara.
Yes, you know she be the far gaga.
Okay. O nwere passport where?
I'm on passport.
Onye ọwụla follow on ya. Onye ọwụla follow on ya. Onye ọwụla follow on ya sapa.
Achọrọ m make sure na confirm go ya.
Abịa ha na nwere ike nga ahụ ya juto. Emere m life with otu phone now.
Oh.
Mana ma ọ bịara nsogbu adịrọ. Thank you so much.
It's more than 100K, so
I believe you. The way that
the bishop send the ring message since he responded.
Orole how many years now?
Orole 2 weeks now, so.
I'm sorry, ma.
So my birthday was 3rd of December. That is Wednesday next week.
Na live na TikTok.
Live. Yes.
It's na your own live stream. Na my own.
Na your own.
Okay, no problem. Just remind me, if possible, just after this live, write me back. You understand? Okay. Write me back so that you keep updating me. Then I will know. Okay.
All right.
Then I will prepare for the birthday for you. Give me in a special way here.
All right.
No problem. I really appreciate it. Okay.
You're welcome.
And I just came back from United States of Houston, Texas. Okay. So I'm.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'll be going back next week. You know.
Which side of Houston do you live?
Oh, I stay in Kafnasta. Kafnasta area. Kafnasta.
There's no place called that in Houston.
No. Hold on. You don't say that to me. I have the right to stay in my own state of country of origin. When I stay in Kafinasta, I'm telling you, Kafinasta, you don't know that place. You tell me.
No, there's
How
no
many years
place.
have you been in Houston?
There's no place like that in
How many
Houston.
years have you been in Houston?
I've been in Houston for so many years. There's no place like that in
I
Houston.
said, how many years have you been with me in Houston?
With you? How can I be with you?
You said there's no place like that.
Yeah.
Koriwa, you understand?
Bishop, you need to be very serious because you have not been there.
Me?
No, you have not been
You
there.
look me, I have not been in Houston, Texas.
No, you have not.
You're making me feel so bad right now. It's like I'm gonna return this Gotewu money. I've been there, man. Damn you. You telling me I've not been in Houston. I've been in Houston, Texas, okay?
Bishop, mention a place you have been. You have not been in.
I'm telling you, ask some of my friends here, they know that I've been in Houston. I'm telling
Where
you.
in Houston? The place you
telling you,
mentioned
Kafinasta.
doesn't exist.
Kafinasta.
It doesn't exist.
Check your Google. Do you know how many
I
countries
don't
you have
need to check
in
Google.
America?
I don't need to check Google. There's no place I don't know in Houston and Texas. So you have not been there. I'm sorry.
Remember here.
I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry.
Your English, you don't sound like person where she from Houston. Yeah, for that.
I've been there. I've been there for years, so you have not been there. There's no place like that.
This is my 10 years in Houston, okay?
Are you in Houston right now?
Yeah, I'm in Houston.
Can I see your environment?
I'm sorry, I'm in Houston presently now.
Can I see your environment?
I'm sorry, I don't do what others do in TikTok here. I'm in Houston presently.
Bishop, show me your environment. I can show you my environment.
No, hold on. You're gonna see my white woman if I show you my environment, okay?
No, just come down from the car. Just flip your camera around.
My white woman will be appearing within this environment. She is downstairs. She will need me when I go down. And I don't want her to see me here, okay?
Barrister, you are lying. But you are lying. You are not telling the truth. Sorry.
You doubting me?
You are not telling the truth. I'm sorry.
Damn it.
Yeah. Your followers said it's a fat lie. Yeah, your followers said it's a fat lie. So they say you are lying.
I personally lying?
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
You forgot I have Ndino here, man. I
have what?
Ndino here, man.
You have what?
Ndino here, man.
What's that? Ndiro.
Ndino means them from the home of Nazo.
Enemies. Your followers cannot be your enemies. They are lovely people.
Some of them, man, not all watching me here, damn you. Not all of them are my friends, okay? I got one of my bro here that is called Nanyalugo, man. He got me. He got my back in Houston. I don't give a damn about who the fuck is saying bullshit.
Bishop, that's okay. That's okay.
Chineke ga-agbaghị ọkụ onye anọ na comment section akpọga m taxi driver. Chineke ga-epụ ọnụ. Chineke ga-epụ ọnụ ma ịkpọ m da taxi driver again. Ga m hụrụ onye mega expect na mmene ya n'otu country. Chineke agbaghị ọkụ. Onye ọbụla mention wala country na wo country m nọ n'ime ya ma m ghara ịta the woman.
They say it's Owerri Houston. Oh, okay.
Which one will Owerri Houston? Are we here and got of the lanya? I dig over them no. I dig over them no. Now where son of Houston, I got put that one on Houston. Maybe I got them like this.
Oh, they say you lived in Aba for 10 years. You're living in Aba for 10 years.
The little son.
Yeah, that's what they say in the comment section.
I need to get hunted.
They're your followers. They know you too well. Look at it. Yeah.
That means say, how I'm on now, I'm on Barana social media. I guess how I'm on. I'll be there, man.
Your face is showing right now and they know you. Look at what they're saying. Over Houston, Aba Houston.
Okay. I will show you because of them. I'm gonna disgrace all of them here now. I'm gonna show you my environment.
Yeah, show me your environment.
Hold on, let me off this camera and come down from my car. Oh, network.
Which network? Your network is all right.
I'm coming. This my followers. Madam, TikTok to go to get congratulations.
All right, thank you.
Madam, wait. I really appreciate what you gave to me, okay?
Yeah.
I really appreciate. Don't mind them. I'm in Houston, okay? I will see you in the next 20 seconds. I told you to write me. I don't want them to know my location in Houston, and I will tell you the country I am.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
It's a promise. I'm in Houston presently.
You're in Houston?
Yeah.
Why not tell me your location at least? We are in Houston.
But are you married? You're talking about you with a pistol, but are you married?
No, I just want to get married to you. That's why I'm asking.
No, I'm not joking. If you think I'm not joking, if you think I'm joking, I'm not joking. I'm in Houston.
Can I say your environment?
And I'm telling you that write me that after this life I will be there with you. Okay, man,
Bishop, I don't believe you.
Okay, man, that man
I don't know.
The man that papa not
See my environment.
Hell, I have like when one of my uncle lobby the other building. This company who and I bought the other side now. Canon keeper. I'm not joking. When one man now
Bishop,
that place
you are not saying the truth. You are not.
I am not telling you the truth.
No, you are not.
Okay. Yeah, all that now,
How can I be getting married to a man that cannot tell me the truth at the first?
And I am telling you right now that now presently now we get home in the next 30 minutes na mecha life. Then you hobo. They karagam give you na make chroma kagena. They need not to put ibo choganda hana to lata Nigeria. I'm name when I come showcase when gam. I'm the relax. But I will be my now.
You don't have documents?
And we be him that I will with working permit.
What permit is a document? So what are you saying?
And when I'm going also come down.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We can make a new pattern. Just see them up Michigan and Gaba or Bom Graga Hangia. Gaba letter. Just them. Only one man on your banno. Oja Bobo Naco Mbi. Memaka, what I'm going for you. I hide the ID. So far, I get a man.
Yeah. Okay, I believe you. I believe you.
That time, I spend. I begin has a let baggage
Lera?
Yeah, Lera.
Anything you call it is fine.
Yeah, okay, no problem. You're gonna meet with me, okay?
All right.
All right. Thank you.
You have a lovely day, okay?
All right. Everybody should follow her. Don't forget, her birthday will soon come up. Your birthday is when?
Wednesday next week. 3rd.
Wednesday, 3rd of December.
3rd of December, yeah.
All right, we'll be celebrating our 3rd of December. Just follow her because that particular day she might be doing a huge giveaway for you all.
Yeah.
Don't forget. So right now, as it is, when you follow her, you just tag her and let her know you have just followed her. So let's celebrate her. My sister Bikwe will Nonadi.
I'm waiting for you.
Okay. EJ, you pant.
Nah, I don't need it.
EJ, you pant.
No, I don't need it.
I'm going to him Jajuagana. I'm going to him Jajuagana. And I go Shirike.
Yeah.
And I go Shirike.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're more again. Shirike.
Yeah, it's not that soft. It's not soft like that, no. It's very firm. Very, very firm.
And are you famous?
Yeah.
Okay, won't you be?
Imo State.
Ebe Imo.
Ikeduru.
Ebe Ikeduru.
Akabo.
Akabo. Okay, I must say you are beautiful, okay?
Thank you.
Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. That's the greeting. I remember. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. All right.
Bye.
Hey, ciao, 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 ciao. Ndirum, Meta Life na maga here. Meta Life na maga no le here. Many ano na game and gambi. Ona game a country no. Deri.